I generated these images using a completely free text-to-image generation platform, and the best part is that they offer unlimited generations. Let me show you how this platform works. So open the CapCut application on your Windows PC. Now, if you don't have CapCut on your PC, just go to CapCut.com to download and install the application. Now come to where you have AI image. Stick around towards the end of the video. I have a bonus website that I'll be showing you that can also help you to generate ultra realistic images as well. So these are some prompts I already generated prior to making this video. So I'm just going to copy any of them, right? So let me go for this content creator. So I'm just going to copy this, right? And I'm going to go back to CapCut AI to paste it. So you go ahead and click generate. Yes, and these are some really amazing pictures. I mean, this is mind-blowing. And the amazing thing is that CapCut AI gives you 4 generations, right? So you can select the one that best suits you. Then if you want to download any of the images, you just go right here, tap on this 3 dots icon, right, and go ahead and click download to download your images. So the bonus tip I promised in the video is this website called Google Labs or ImageFX, and I'll leave the links in the description, right? So this website can also help you to generate ultra realistic images as well, right? So if you don't want to use CapCut, you can have this one, you can use this one. So just paste your prompt right here in the prompt section. The same prompt I used earlier. I'm going to see how that works on this platform. So we're going to compare and contrast the images to see which one comes out or which one came out better. So I'm going to click create, and voila, these are the results we got from this website. Now I think these are pretty sharp as well. Yes, really crisp images. So just like the CapCut AI platform, this website also gives you 4 generations, so you can just go ahead and choose which one that resonates best with you. So if you want to download any of the pictures, right, all you need to do is just to come right here to where you have this download icon right here to download your images. So these are 2 websites that can help you to generate ultra realistic images for your project. So if you found this useful, please give the video a like, and of course share this video. If you've got questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you would be notified by YouTube whenever I post another amazing content as this. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.